that life is something extraordinary for each and every one of us. Youth Leader of the Day, fellow youth leaders and Toastmasters. Let me tell you that the most interesting things in life comes from our ability to see the extraordinary in the simple events of one's daily life. October 20th, 1997 in Trivandrum City, Kerala was just another day in the fast-paced modern world. But to a small group of people, it was a day when the time stood still. For it was when Kuriakose murderer Jacob was passed from the hands of a tired hospital nurse, only too eager to get rid of a wailing baby, into the warm and protective embrace of my mother. The marvelous invention, the telephone, ensured that my musical notes could be heard by my proud and delighted father, working in distant Saudi Arabia, who could now be assured that this line continues to the next generation. My home, which soon shifted from Trivandrum to Saudi Arabia, has always been a place filled with love and happiness. My mother Sheba, a home-loving and caring individual, is also a strict disciplinarian. She has instilled in me many fine values, and as a result of her constant guidance and encouragement, I have been a regular class topper and have won at several competitions, both at school and elsewhere. My father, Jacob Kuriakose, who works as a finance manager in Dividend, is a different kind of a person. He is an entertaining speaker and an actor, that is, if he has a mic and is on stage. But off stage, he is an extremely powerful individual who recently had been trying hard to figure out how I reached the 9th grade when I was in the 8th grade a few months back. Well, that's my dad. There are two significant events that made a major impact in my life. The first is my sister Anna's arrival. Having been used to the undivided love and attention of my parents, it was at first difficult to accept a new addition that will now share space in my parents' attention. But soon, as my affection for my little sister grew, the devil changed in my attitude. I began to realize the beauty of sharing, the thrill in doing things together, the need to give recognition to others' efforts, as also the fact that teamwork achieves a lot more than individual effort. Being an introvert, my sister's friendly and outgoing nature was like a breath of fresh air and taught me many lessons. I soon began to realize the importance of reaching out to others and to be part of the larger society we live in. I now mix a lot more and have many good friends. In a way, my little sister, now in her 6th grade at the International Indian School, turned out to be an effective teacher. The second event of significance I would like to share with you is the time, due to a leakage in our water heater, hot water fell onto my hands, resulting in a second degree burns. I shuddered at the sight of my hands and fear took over me, and tears started rolling down my cheeks like raindrops. As my parents rushed me to the hospital, Father told me, "My son, this is only a minor burn and you will soon be all right. But remember, there will be many problems that life may throw at your way. To be afraid of such circumstances is only natural. But never, never allow fear to overcome you. Learn to conquer fear by looking for solutions to problems. For no one's life can be a permanent bed of roses. Be prepared for the thorns and learn to build your defenses." None of the events narrated are anything unusual, but it is from these simple events in life that one learns some extraordinary lessons. And we always make it a point to be a constant learner. It all depends on how we look at things. As for my hobbies, I love reading anything that I can get my hands on, and particularly enjoy playing cricket. My ambition in life is to become a chartered accountant, and contribute something useful to the society. Joining the YLP is a continuation of my learning process, and I look forward to an enjoyable period of education and fellowship here, both